Hey guys, Mr. Dippers12 here. I'm doing a weird video today that I've never done before. I found this in my car. It's an experiment, but it says, oh gosh dang it. Well, it says the 17th of May, 2012. So this gum is 4 years old. I'm going to be trying it for you guys today. Hopefully I don't die. Can you die from this? Chewing old gum. Old mint gum too. Probably gonna taste horrible. Smells good. Is that a bad sign? Please don't be moldy. Please don't be moldy. So this is it. Oh, what the? Oh, so hard. Oh. I haven't chewed really. Oh. That's what it looks like. Sorry for the lighting, it's horrible. Huh. That's really good. Tried it out. Really horrible. Yeah. You can see it now. Just barely. You can see 17, May 12. If I die, it's your fault. 15 sticks, now there's 13. So if you can hear my chewing, it's actually pretty good. No new old gum. It'd be so good. But, so, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys subscribe, comment, and like. So, bye.